8 from 5 balls. Yes! That's a sixer! They 2 runs to win from 4 balls. And that's a single, so we just need only 1 run from 3 balls. Scores they won! It's 1 run to win. That's the winning shot! That's the winning shot by Rinko Singh. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Fireworks coming on, fireworks. Yay! India wins the Asia Cup Finals 2025. India the winner of Asia Cup. Hi friends, this is RK and welcome to our world. So today we are on the Asia Cup final in Dubai International Stadium, along with my son and my friend and my uncle. So Pakistan have already scored 56 for no loss after 7 overs. Pakistan is scoring really well, so it's going to be a competitive match between India and Pakistan. So this is the third match, consecutive third Sunday match between India and Pakistan in this Asia Cup. But this is the first time India and Pakistan are meeting each other in an Asia Cup final. So let's hope India continues the domination and India wins it. Okay? तो इस्माइल आज अभी 8 रन रेट पे चल रहा है, तो 6 ओवर पे 45 था एंड 7 ओवर के बाद 56 रन पे। तो अगर यही रन रेट पे चलती है तो 160 तक ये लोग स्कोर करेंगे। ये लोग तो नॉट आउट चल रहा है, अभी तक एक भी विकेट नहीं गिरा है, तो इट्स नॉट इजी। बट आफ्टर 10 ओवर्स द विकेट स्लोज डाउन, थोड़ा सा स्लो हो जाएगा। सो होपफुली इट विल प्ले बेटर फॉर अस। तो बॉलिंग के लिए थोड़ा सा should be supported. We are playing it really well. And this time, Pakistan has got a lot of support. After 7.3 overs, it's 59 for no loss. So, तुम्हारा prediction है around 160 to 165, 170. So, last time similar, पिछले संडे को भी ऑलमोस्ट सेम स्कोर था। तो मेरे प्रेडिक्शन है इस बार अंडर, तो तुम्हारा 170 है, मेरा अंडर 180। ओके, बिकॉज आज पिच भी अच्छा लग रहा है। सो अंडर 180, 180 टू 185 के अंदर ये स्कोर करना चाहिए। तो वी शुड बी एबल टू चेज इट डाउन। होप फॉर द बेस्ट। गो इंडिया, गो। The 50 for Pakistani opener Sahibzada. He has scored 51 from 36 balls. Pakistan's score is 76 for no loss after 8.5 overs. Ball of the 9th over. No wicket yet. 77 for no loss, Pakistan after 9 overs. 0.1 overs, Pakistan are 99 for 1. Boundary. They are 103. Pakistan are playing really well. India need to come back strongly. Second wicket is down for Pakistan. It's 113 for 2. That's a very good catch. Fantastic catch. Back wicket. Pakistan loses the third. Fantastic catch. Great catch. Pakistan loses the third. 114 for 3 after 13.3 overs. Fantastic bowling by Warren Chakravarti. Rafael Zaman gets out. पाकिस्तान का स्कोर है 127 for 4 after 15 overs. तो इसका मतलब पिछले 5 ओवर में सिर्फ 40 रन बनाए. After 10 overs they were at 87 for 1. तो 9.4 overs पे पहला विकेट गिरा था. उसके बाद में अगले 32 बॉल में 4 विकेट गिर गए. So Pakistan is losing the steam. Generally in this particular pitch, Dubai pitch में after 10 overs it slows down, so it's not so easy to score. तो अभी नहीं लगता है कि 180 तक के जा पाएगा. 160 170 के आसपास शायद रह जाएगा. So hopefully अगर 160 170 के अंदर अगर हम रेस्ट्रिक्ट कर पाएंगे तो it should be, it may not be an easy, but we should be able to win it comfortably. I hope Team India wins it. Go India, go. That's the end of another wicket for Pakistan. They are 131 for 5. Ball of the 16th over. Kuldeep Yadav to ball out. That's just a single. And the 5th wicket. 6th wicket for Pakistan. They are 133 for 6. On the last ball of his quota, final quota, Kuldeep Yadav takes a wicket. That should be pitching in line, impact in line, wickets hitting. Yeah! That's the 7th wicket down for Pakistan. Yes! Wicket on the last ball of the 17th over. Kuldeep Yadav after fantastic bowling. Pakistan 134 for 8. We were asking for the last ball wicket, and it is the last ball wicket. Fantastic bowling by Kuldeep Yadav. Pakistan are losing the steam. They're 134 for 8. Has clean bowled at his stump. Fantastic bowling by Bumrah. Pakistan 141 for 9. Alone after scoring only 146. Bumrah getting his last wicket caught. That's a good catch. It's a full stadium, jam-packed stadium. Everyone is happy. India need 147 to win in 20 overs. Pakistan has lost their first wicket after 9.4 overs, 84, and they've got all out at 146. So Pura, they've just scored only 62 runs in the last 10 wickets. All 10 wickets were lost in the space of 62 runs, and in the span of 10 overs. 10 ओवर के अंदर 62 रन मार के सारे 10 विकेट निकल गए. पहले 9.4 ओवर तक एक भी विकेट नहीं गिरा था. आपको लग रहा था कम से कम 170 180 तक जाएगा. तुम्हारा स्कोर प्रोडिक्शन था 160, मेरा स्कोर प्रोडिक्शन था 180 तक जाएगा, क्योंकि आज थोड़ा अच्छा खेल रहे थे. बट आज देखे तो 146 में ही ऑल आउट हो गया. 10 ओवर्स के बाद जनरली पिच स्लो हो जाता है यहाँ पे, तो वो स्लो हो गया, एंड दे हैव प्लेड अ वेरी पुअर क्रिकेट. सो इट शुड बी अ वेरी गुड एंड इजी विन फॉर टीम इंडिया. होपफुली विकेट्स नहीं गिरना चाहिए. शर्मा जी, आपका अपना कमाल दिखाइए. एंड ऑफ फर्स्ट ओवर, India have comfortably scored 7 runs out of the first over. And there were fantastic firework celebrations at the start of the Indian innings. India need 1, 4, 7 runs to win in 20 overs. Sheikh Sharma got out. India are 7 for 1 after 1.1 overs. That's a core shot. The man in form gets out. Abhishek Sharma gets out after scoring only 5 runs. Have been bowling really well after the wicket of Abhishek Sharma. That's the last ball of second over. Is it? No, it's just 2 runs. India are 10 for 1 after 2 overs. Kumar Yadav getting out. India are 10 for 2 after 2.3 overs. In big trouble now. Of the fourth over, India 20 for 2. India 20 for 3. That's a very bad shot by Subramanian. Last ball of the power play. India 35 for 3. And they scored 36. Right at the 6th run rate. So we had a 6 and a boundary in this particular over. Last ball of the 8th over. India 49 for 3. They are playing it slow and steady. Okay, it's still 49 for 3 after 8 overs. Or 58 for 3 after 10 overs. So they are scoring at less than 6 per over, where the required run rate is about 7.2, 0.3. So now the required run rate is about 9. Out of next 60 balls, India needs to score 89. But the good thing is that we have a steady partnership like that. And the second thing, the dew started falling right. Until now, there was no dew. Because there was no dew, तो dew नहीं है तो बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा था मिडिल करना एंड स्लो पिच काफी स्लो हो गया था हमने देख लिया था पाकिस्तान ने भी आखिरी 8-9 विकेट्स सिर्फ 30-32 रन में स्कोर किए तो अभी इस पे थोड़ा सा स्लो स्टार्ट करने को भी चलेगा बट पार्टनरशिप हैज टू कंटिन्यू and we need to make sure that they have to cross over the line. So the next 5 overs are very crucial. Next 5 overs, they should not lose any wickets and score at least at 6 to 7 per over. And then eventually the last 5 overs, we can win it. But it's going to be a nail-biting finish. Of Sanju Samson's wicket. India still needs 70 runs from 46 balls. It's becoming more difficult because the pitch has become too slow. Scoring has become too tight. Now India needs to play really well to win this. Ball of the 14th over, India 80. 2 for 4, and it's not a boundary. We're only 83 for 4. Chance for a run out. Hopefully, it's not. Last ball of the 15th over, India 94 for 4. Can they make it to 100? Oh! Yes! I said it! I said it! We got it! Yes! That's a beautiful shot, and it's 100 runs for Team India. The last ball of 17th over, and the final ball of the Shaheen Shah Afridi quota. No ball. That's a single. India are 117 for 4. They need 30 runs in 3 overs. Last ball of the 18th over. India still need 23 more runs to win. For 6 and again! We just need only 17 more runs to win in 2 overs. So Ismail, आखिरी 2 ओवर में सिर्फ 17 रन चाहिए अभी पिछले 2-3 ओवर से बहुत अच्छा सा फ्लो चल रहा था इंडिया को उसको फ्लो रोकने के लिए फाहिम अशरफ बहुत अच्छी सी ऑस्कर अवार्ड विनिंग परफॉर्मेंस दे रहा है एक्टिंग का तो क्रैम्प्स पकड़ गया तो अभी सिर्फ 2 ओवर बचा है 12 balls 17 runs so it has to be sure shot India with 6 wickets in hand so hopefully there is no more twist in the tail but it's fantastic we have beaten Haris Rauf very comprehensive Haris Rauf को मारना चाहिए मारा है दो Haris Rauf के 2 लास्ट बॉल में दोनों छक्का मारा एक तिलक वर्मा ने मारा एक हमारे शिवम दुबे ने भी मारा था fantastic good going team India all the best for winning the cup balls 11 runs to win we need a boundary this over to make it easier yeah India need 11 runs from 6 balls. Start to ball the final over. India need 10 runs to win. Will it be 2? Yes. It's 8 from 5 balls. 8 from 5 balls. Yes! That's a sixer! Just 4 balls. Need 2 runs to win from 4 balls. And that's a single, so we just need only 1 run from 3 balls. Score 7! 1 run to win. That's the winning shot! That's the winning shot by Rinku Singh. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. India wins the Asia Cup Finals 2025, India the winner of Asia Cup. Super successful win again. Fantastic win by Team India. So हमारे लेफ्ट हैंडर्स ने काम कर दिया. बहुत अच्छी है. So that's it for now, guys. This is RK signing off from Dubai. Take care. Bye.